What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so let's make some coffee. Okay, quick update on the couch. If you watched the last vlog, you know that my dog ruined 2 of the cushions. So what I ended up doing is taking the cushions that were back there, moved them down to the seated part, and then just replaced this cushion with a regular pillow, which is just so ridiculous. It's so janky. It doesn't look awful because I covered it up with like the blankets and stuff, but you can see like the difference. Like the cushion needs to be there, but the cushions are like so far back, and then you can see like normally the cushion goes up that far, but yeah, it just slopes off. So this is just gonna be it until we figure out what to do about the couch, which we're gonna make a decision soon. We just don't really want to put that at the top of our to-do list at the moment. We got Grill Fresh for dinner. We have warm Asian noodles, roasted broccoli, buffalo chicken, mushrooms, and veggie rice. Derek got sweet potatoes, noodles, sesame green beans, mushrooms, and steak. Good morning, guys. Just got back home from an eventful morning. We had orientation for Selena's school, and then we went to grab some juice and we went to the park, and now we're back home. Probably just gonna hang out in the afternoon until I have to get ready and go to work later. The aftermath going on the dresser that we cleaned up last vlog, but I did film a really cool reel and I posted it on Instagram, so definitely check that out there. Also picked up some Chick-fil-A for lunch. I got a Cobb salad and a chicken noodle soup. We are going to tackle the pantry, and I'm going to start by pulling out all the food and then pulling out all the other organizers that I've collected. And then we're just going to, yeah, make it look a lot better than this. Okay, so for the organizers, I have 2 of these in addition to 2 that I already have. 3 of these wood bins, 2 of these metal bins, and then 3 of these white wire bins, which I think I'm just gonna take this part out and just leave them as wire bins. So we have all the food out. I left all the sparkling water and the bottled water, and we usually have gallons of water, but we only have 1 at this moment. So I want to make sure I create enough space to store multiple gallons. I also want to try and put the air fryer in the pantry somewhere when we're not using it, just to clear up the counter space. Okay, so right now this is what we have going on. Still need to work on the bottom, but I think this looks okay. There's an empty spot here, but I think I'm gonna put my tea organizer and maybe like swap some of the teas out for the Nespresso pods or something like that. Okay, now to figure out where to put everything. I think I found a solution for the Nespresso pods. I think I'm gonna put them at the top here because I have like other beverages and like powders and supplements and things like that. So I think that will be easier to grab than putting them inside one of the food storage containers, because you know, when you're getting your coffee in the morning, like you don't wanna like fuss. You just wanna be like boop, boop. It just started to pour down rain. Selena wanted me to show you this area.
Oh my God, do you see that?
Yes. Hi guys. So it's the next day. I abruptly ended everything I was doing last night to make dinner. Then Luca got really fussy and ready for bed. My husband got home and things just kind of fell off. So today we are going to finish the pantry. Hi buddy. Luca's having a snack. Also today was Selena's first day of school, which she was super excited about. And I felt like a terrible, terrible mom. I normally take her to school at 8:30. That was the time all last year. And yeah, so I thought it was 8:30. We all got ready, we left the house, we got there right around go time, and I see that they've blocked off the entry, which they do once you've, you know, passed the time to get there. And I saw a bunch of kids lined up at the office, and I was like, okay. So we all got out, we all walked up there, and I had to sign a tardy slip. Yeah, she was 30 minutes late to school on her very first day. So big time mom fail there, but we just live and we move forward, am I right? Let's finish the pantry. Okay, finally it's done and we're ready for the big reveal. Voila! Looks a million times better than it did. I'm also dying because I just got this package. Oh, cannot wait to open it. The They're so cute. This is literally like the perfect wash, the perfect amount of distress. You can see the details that went into it. Okay, let's try it on. Okay guys, so first of all, the booty is a yes. Looks so nice. It's like perfectly fitted. It's also helping to, like, you know, flatten out the little pooch mom belly situation because they don't have like a lot of stretch to them. Come here. Come here. So the last thing we're gonna do in this vlog is try to organize this area that's behind me. Organize is not the correct word. Try to style. That's more like it. This area behind me, we can maybe make it look a little bit cuter, a little bit more functional and less cluttered. Okay, so far I'm kind of liking it, kind of. I think I'm gonna trade out this bowl for this bowl. I think it's bigger and it just is a little bit warmer. So I think it just looks better than that textured bowl. Although I did like it over on the island. Okay, so let's do that. Normally I have a couple more things along with the bananas and the garlic, but at the moment most of the veg is in the fridge. Okay, I think we're looking really good now. I like this. Definitely clean and minimal. I added a little tiny faux plant over there just to add like some green and warm tones in, but overall I really do like it. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. But tomorrow I think I'm gonna start filming again. So head over to Instagram, follow me there, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys